Hey everyone, my name is Jia Ojha. I read in class 11 science. My school name is PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya Panagar. This is my project wireless power transmission. We all know that we live in a world of technology advancement where new technologies emerge each and every day in our life to make it simpler. But we still rely on the classical and conventional wire system to charge our mid power and low power devices like laptops and phones. But I've noticed that it creates a mess when it comes to charging various devices simultaneously. And it takes a lot of electric shocks. So a question arises in my mind that do we have a solution to this? Do we have only one source to charge our various devices together? Yes, we have a solution to it. It is wireless power transmission. It was first invented by Nikola Tesla, a famous electrician, a famous electrical engineer. So this concept is called Tesla concept. So I'll show you how it works. So when I join this battery clip to this battery and I'm turning on this switch, the light is glowing up, as you can see. But there is no connection between it. It is wireless. So how it is possible? It is possible because of the electromagnetic induction. The power is transmitting from one source to other wirelessly. So I'll tell you what are the materials I've used in it. So I've used switch, battery clip. Battery is of 9 volt, transistor 2N2222A, resistor of 27K. This is the transmission coil and this is the receiver coil. I made this using insulating copper wire, and this is the LED 3X. So it is very this concept is very beneficial for us and our future generation, as it prevents us from electric shocks, which are very common in those wired system where the connectors are exposed, and it is way more affordable as compared to the wired system, not as dangerous as it, and we can also provide electricity supply to those places where wire supply is not possible. And if we talk about if I want to say that how to make it in a larger scale, then it can also be made, but we have to take care of a lot of factors like the frequency. The frequency shouldn't be as too much that human health is affected, and the animals and plants and the birds are affected, so that has to be taken care of. But now we are focusing on the on charging the low power and mid power devices. So yeah, that's all about my project. Thank you.